Hello there, my name's Fiona Charles, and I'm making this video to encourage you to come join me at Belgium Testing Days 2014 in Bruges. On March 17th, I'm presenting a tutorial called The Design Behind the Plan, all about test strategy and the art of test strategy. It's going to be primarily an interactive session, which means you're going to have the opportunity to learn by doing and also to share with your co-participants the insights that you discover, the experience that you bring to the session, and of course you'll have the opportunity to benefit from their experience and insights as well as mine. We're going to begin by focusing on our stakeholders, who they are, and what quality means to them in the system that we're going to be implementing and testing. Because after all, quality is not what I think it is. Quality is what the people who are paying for the software, the people who are going to be using this software, the people who really care about this software, what they think quality is. So once we have a good handle on that, then we can begin devising approaches to discovering anything that could be a threat to that value, and then communicating those threats to the stakeholders so that they can make decisions about what they want to do with the software and when they're ready to have it released to them. We're going to work on a real testing problem that we're going to use, work in teams, that we're going to use and practice on. I think it's going to be a really illuminating session. Even if you're a new test manager or a new tester, or if you're someone who has in fact been doing testing for a long time, has been doing test strategies for a long time, because we can always learn to do these things better. We're going to be looking at some different thinking tools along the way. We're also going to be looking at different ways to communicate our strategy to our stakeholders. Because if we can't engage them, if we put a great big fat document in front of them that they don't have time to read and they just sign off on, we won't get the benefit of their insights, and we also won't get to understand what it is that they really want, or any feedback on whether we've understood correctly what they really want. So we're going to be looking at some lightweight documentation methods that other people have used in different circumstances. I think it's going to be a fun session. I think it's going to be an illuminating session, and I hope you'll come join me.